In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in Photoshop. So it's very easy and pretty cool. So what I've done here is I've started off with a black background. And now for each of these layers, I've just changed slightly where this little white blob is. And I've made it so it loops. Now, a way you can do this easily is to get a black background, copy it, and just draw on it, paste it, and then change the opacity down so you can see the frame before and just change it a little bit. Now, once you've got your different layers for your video, now what you want to do is you want to come to the top, go down to window, go down to timeline. Now you want to click create frame animation. Now on this bar here, you want to click it and you want to put make frames from layers. Now you can press play here and this is going to play the little animation that you've just made, and you can see that that's going to loop forever. There's a few different settings you can do here. You can change the time that each frame's on for. You can change the delay. You can even change how many times this goes on for. Now, once you're ready to export it, go to File, Export, Export As. Just give this a second to load. And you can change it to GIF here. And that's going to export it as your little thing that you've just made. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.